Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, December 16, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, December 16, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 16, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, December 16, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 500 million pesos for Saturday, December 16, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, December 16, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.